Yes, so guys, welcome to DGCL, Digital Cloud Academy. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be walking you through creating AWS EC2 instance with Ubuntu and also connecting to AWS EC2 instances using SSH clients like PuTTY. Alright, so you'll have to log into your AWS management console. Alright, so log in. After logging in, locate your search bar, click on it and type EC2. Alright, so this is it under the services tab, so click on it. Yes, so this is up, and then click on launch instance. Alright, click on launch instance. Okay, if you didn't see your launch instance right here, click on instances, and when you click on instances, you now click on launch instance. Alright, so and the name, we input the instance name, so let's say instance 1. Let's use this as our instance name, instance underscore 1. So this is our instance name. Then scroll down to where you see application and OS images, so select Ubuntu. You can use Ubuntu. Alright, so scroll down, you can select any one here. You can use AWS, Amazon Linux, but for this tutorial we'll be using Ubuntu. Okay, so ensure free tier eligible is selected here. Alright, ensure you're selecting the Ubuntu server free tier eligible. So scroll down, the instance type, select T2 micro, T2.micro. Okay, and free tier eligible, this is it, so click on it. So scroll down to where you see key pair. On the key pair, because we don't have any key pair, we'll have to create a new key pair, but if you do have, you can click on this drop down to select your key pairs. Alright, I have few key pairs here, but for this video I'm going to create a new key pair, so I'll click on create new key pair, and here I'm going to enter my key pair name. Now see, this is first key. Alright, so this is first key, and here I'm going to select .ppk. Alright, .ppk, because we are connecting it with PuTTY. Alright, so I'm going to select .ppk, and then I'm going to click on create key pair. So this is the key pair that is downloaded. So scroll down, so under network settings you see create security group. Alright, so ensure this is selected, create security group is selected. Yeah, so this is all we're configuring for here. Then number of instance, so let's say we're selecting 2, we're creating 2 instances to connect. Okay, so number of instances 2. Then scroll down and click on launch instance. So this instance is created successfully. So let's click this link to see the state of this instance we just created. Alright, so click on it, so it opens on the new tab. So this is still showing initializing. So when this is done initializing, we'll see the status check here. Alright, so these are all the details of the instance we just created. This is the instance name, instance 1. This is the IPv4 address. So let's hold on a bit for this to finish initializing. Okay, so you can come here, refresh. So hold on for this to be done. Alright, so this is done initializing. Alright, if yours has not, click on refresh and the status check should be updated. Okay, so the next thing to be done is to connect our EC2 instance using the PuTTY software. Alright, so to do that we have to download the PuTTY. So go to your browser, you can type in PuTTY, download. Okay, so we can select this first one and then download the PuTTY, but I already have this here on my system, so there's no point downloading. So but just click on download and install. So I'm just going to open it up. Yep, so this is it on my system. So the next thing here, we have to impute the host IP address. Okay, so to get the host IP address, we have to go back to our AWS console. You see public IPv4 address, so this is copy, so click on it to copy. Once it's copied, go back to your PuTTY, then paste it here. Okay, then under save sessions, so here we're going to input the name. So let's say what name are we going to be using? Let's use GB as the name. So under save session, alright, GB underscore Ubuntu. Then click on connections here. This where you see these connections. Click on it. Click on SSH. And then click on credentials. Okay. Click on credentials. So here we're going to select the private key for authentication. Remember the key we download, the .ppk file we downloaded the other time. So, and then we'll click on open. Alright, so click on open. So when you click on open, it shows you to log in as. So you have to input the username. Here we're going to input Ubuntu. Alright, that's what we are logging in as. Then hit enter. Yeah, so congratulations, so we've been able to connect it. So this is authenticating with public key. This is our key pair that we created, you remembered. Alright, so it says welcome to Ubuntu. This is the version. So yeah, we have successfully connected our EC2 instance using the PuTTY. On the next video, we'll be looking at connecting EC2 instance using Mobile Xterm.